Good to see you, Simar.
So hope you all are ready for the quiz.
Good evening, ma'am.
So there are some rules. First rule is that you have to keep your camera on, otherwise you won't be able to claim the prize. And second, you cannot take help from any other person, as this is for you.
Good evening, ma'am.
A big hi to all those who have joined right now. Good to see you guys in the quiz. We have Vaibhav, we have Vardhini, Disha, Saswat, Kanishka. Hi. Good to see you again.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
No. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Arjun.
Good evening,
Are
ma'am.
you all excited for the quiz? Good evening, Uma.
Yes, ma'am. We are excited.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you know what to do?
तो मम वो बैटरी नहीं है
I think you all know what to do now.
पाँच परसेंट दिया Ma'am, what is the code?
We will give you the code in some time.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
So, please go to joinmyquiz.com. Hope you all are ready.
Yes, ma'am.
So, the code is 532692. The code is 532692. Please put your real name when you are joining. Thank you.
अभी तो 6 बच्चे आए हैं सर। हमने कोड बता दिया, बोल रही थी 5 से पहले ज्वाइन कर लेते। कोड पूछ लिया कोड।
I see only 16 participants. Rest, please can you join fast? We are going to start in 10 minutes. Many of you have your camera off. Can you turn your camera on, please?
20 बच्चे हो गए।
Ma'am, it's just Ma'am, I have visited my quiz, but ma'am, it is not
23 हो गए।
not entering.
Excuse me, ma'am. My name is Sarjit Gupta, ma'am. My camera is not working, so ma'am, I can't open my camera.
25। हाँ अभी फोटो खींचनी होगी ना। 28 प्लेयर हो गए। वीडियो है
Are you all guys excited?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Please enter your full names and your real names so that we can identify you and then give you your prize.
Ma'am, my name is Saisha Agarwal. Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am, please. This is Inaya, this side. Ma'am, I'm going to join my course, but I cannot enter the code.
You have to enter your code, which is 532692, and then you have to enter your full real name, and then you can enter.
Yes, ma'am, but when I'm clicking on join, type a code, but ma'am, it is not coming.
Then you can refresh or then close Chrome and then open the Chrome again.
Please.
You are
Good
looking
evening,
very
ma'am.
excited.
Good evening, ma'am.
Are you excited?
Good evening, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
To go on the site.
Please don't please only use your real name, because I can see some people joining with very weird names like me and all. If you don't put your real name, then you cannot win, claim your prize if you win.
Okay, hello everyone. To those who have joined right now, a big hi from me. I'm Faiza from Podium. Please make sure to turn your cameras on. And also, if there is any question that you have in regards to the quiz, you can ask in the chat box now, because there's a lot of disturbance, right? So I've muted everyone so you can all type in your queries or anything in the chat box, okay? And please make sure that your cameras are turned on, because that's like the main criteria to win the quiz. Or else, even if you win the quiz, you won't be able to. Okay, please start the quiz. How much time for each question? Depends, Dishita, I think. Ritvik, I'm not aware about the time. Maybe you could let them know.
30 seconds per question.
30 seconds, Dishita, it is. Doyle, hi. Arjun Gupta, please start quiz. No, let's wait for your friends, right? We are only 61 right now, so I'm waiting for your friends to join, and then we can all begin. Good evening, Divyanshi and Shivansh. And also, please see that you all fit into the age criteria, um, which is, I think, 9 to 13 years today.
If you have any doubts, then you can ask Faiza ma'am.
Hi, Stavan. Hi, Rayan. Good evening, Khwahish. Khwahish. I hope I'm pronouncing all of your names correct, right? Okay. Hi, Dian. How are you all? My brother is 5 years. Can he join? Yes, he can. To gain knowledge, of course. Tejas, Vinny, we are waiting for more of your friends. We're just 63 right now, so let them join. We'll begin at around 5:10, which is 8 minutes from now on. Hi, Kritika. How are you? That's nice, Dian. Okay. And also, as Ritvik said, let's all have our real names mentioned in the quiz, so that it gets easier for us to declare the results. Hi, Amisha. How are you? Quiz will be at daily basis. No, Kamlesh, only on Saturdays and Sundays.
Do
Saisha,
you find this quiz interesting?
Saisha, ma'am, I'm 7. That's fine, Saisha. You can play. Hi, Srishti. How are you? Ma'am, I won't be able to turn on my camera. Why, Amisha? Try not, because you have like 7 minutes, and even if you win the quiz, then we won't be able to declare you as a winner. So try turning on your camera. Dishita, we will start the quiz shortly, in 7 minutes approximately, because we want more of your friends to join, right? Hi, Akshita. Okay, Srishti. Nice to. Hi, Sahasra. Hi, Sahasra. Sorry, I pronounced your name wrong. Hi, Srishti. Okay. Okay, Raghav. How are you? Tejashwini. Hi. How are you? Parul. Hi. How are you? Ma'am, my camera lens is broken. Can you try connecting from another device, Amisha? Ma'am, I'm Arnav. Okay, Kamlash. Change your name there. Sorry. I'm good, Srishti. Good evening, Jivesh. Ma'am, I'm 9. Yeah, of course, you can, because the quiz is for like 9 to 13 years, right? Hi, Sahasra. Ma'am, please on your camera. I will surely turn on. Maybe in some other class, definitely, because at the moment I haven't prepared for a video kind of like session, right? Hi, Kshita, how are you? Ma'am, my camera is not working. Arjun, can you try joining in from another device? Ma'am, I'm 8 years old, so can I play? Yes, Shivani, of course. The name is not correct. Okay, I think you mentioned your name. I think I forgot. Hamsini, hi, how are you? Ma'am, my camera, and this is the only device. Okay, I understand, Amisha, that's fine. Simmer, yeah, that's okay. You can play the quiz. They're just really fine. Sheetal, hello, ma'am. Hi, how are you? Ma'am, please on your camera. I will surely. Tejaswini, how are you, ma'am? I'm fine. How are you? Ma'am, just looking with you that if many join would be able to win. Okay, Dishita. Ma'am, this is the only, it's okay. Ma'am, what is the co-host? What is co-host? Co-host is another person who is managing like the quiz session, right? Just joking. Okay, Dishita. I'm 12. Yeah, that's fine. I'm sorry you guys are texting so much. I'm just kind of going very slow. Ma'am, my camera is not working. Okay, fine, Arjun. What will happen on Monday to Friday? Arnav, we have like daily sessions. Either they are like classes on cooking
Please use your real names.
or arts or anything like that. Wahish, okay, ma'am, can I play Diyan? Yeah, of course, Diyan, you can. Arjun, no, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm 10. Yes, that's fine, Kritika. Ma'am, this is okay. Hello. Okay, ma'am, I'm in the car. Can I turn which? Yeah, sure, Doyle. I'm fine. How are you, Fahish? Ma'am, do we have to on our camera? Yes, Pragati, you have to. Ma'am, please start. Nirmala will start in like around 5 minutes, please. Please tell the code. Harshita, the code is 532692. Hi, Shivani, how are you? I'm sorry if I'm responding late to your messages because there are so many of you, and I'm kind of happy to see all of your messages. Okay, that's nice. Yeah, there's okay, Disha, you can play, of course. It's for 9 to 13, so you can play today. Can't see you, ma'am, because I haven't turned on my camera, Divyanshi. Please start the quiz, ma'am. 5 more minutes, Fahish, and then we'll begin. Hello, Vibhuti, how are you? Hi, Nirmala, how are you? When will we start quiz? 5 more minutes, Arjun. You can play Shivali, that's nice. Can you send the link? It's joinmyquiz.com. You can see the link on the screen. Hi, ma'am. Satakshi Prakash, 7 years. Hi. That's okay. You can play. Vibhuti, I'm fine. Thank you. Ma'am, how many questions will be there? Ritvik, how many questions do we have for
26 questions.
26. Okay, please start the quiz, ma'am. Akshay, just 5 more minutes, right? Let's wait for your friends to join. Oh, thank you, Jivesh. You're helping out your friends. That's so nice of you. Dazzling Dio, please start fast. 5 more minutes and then we'll begin. Hello, ma'am, I'm 13. Hi, Sahaj. You can play. Aditi, let's wait for your friends, no, guys. Imagine them missing their quiz session. They would feel bad, right? Let's wait for them. Miss, I made. Can I still play? Yes, Laksh, you can. Hi, Manav, how are you? Let's start, Disha. Yes, Akshad, hi. You can play, ma'am. I brought two of my cousins. Wow, Devik, that's so nice of you. I love how you got your friends into the quiz session. Hi, Arjun. Hi, Aditi. How are you both? Hello, ma'am. I'm Parmita. Hi, how are you, Parmita? Wow, I can see 107 participants. How many questions? 26, Hamsini. Yes, Aditi, you can play. Hi, Monal. How are you? Thank you, Rayan. You guys are so lovely, and I love talking to you all. Oh, Shatakshi, ma'am, please wait. My device is taking time. Yeah, we are waiting, Sahaj. That's okay. Hi, Akshaj. How are you? I'm fine, Monal. Thank you. Oh, Kritika, that's so nice of you. It's so fun, right? Playing with your friends and cousins. You can all compete. Hi, Gitika. How are you? Now, do you know my four more friends are also playing? Wow, Faish. Good that you guys play with your friends. Hi Aditi, how are you? Sheetal, we will begin shortly. Adhiraj will begin shortly. Okay, we will begin, guys. We're just 122 right now. So we'll begin. What's the hurry? And you can see the code and the website on the screen. Ma'am, send the link. 1 second. Let me just send. 1 second. Join my. Hi Lalita. Oh, Jivesh, thank you so much. You know, there was again yesterday one more student. I think her name was Sahana or something like that. Even she was helping out. Hi, Hasika. Ma'am, start the game. I'm very excited. I know, Gitika, I'm excited too. I hope you all are prepared for the quiz. I think it's all about Bollywood. Please wait, joining from device. Yeah, it's okay. You can. We're all waiting. Ma'am, code it's 532692. It's on the screen, guys. That's a cute compliment, Kritika. Thank you. Ma'am, please. Yeah, Shivani. See, even your friends are super excited. Okay, we'll begin. We're 122 right now. We just really want more people to join, right? It's 5:11. Please start. I understand.
So we'll start in another 2 minutes.
Just 2 more minutes, guys. Hi, AR. I'm fine. How are you?
Let your friend join.
Ma'am, your voice is so nice and cute. Thank you, Hasika. That's a cute compliment. Ma'am, send the code. Let me just type in the code. It's 532. Thank you, Ananta. You're so kind. You guys help each other so much. Really kind of you all. Oh, Arushi, thank you. Ma'am, I'm taking. What's that, Fahish? Haven't heard. Shibali, I can't play by. Hasika, very excited, ma'am. Oh, that's nice. Sasha, can we please start? I'm very excited. Yeah, ma'am, please on your video. We want to see you. I will turn on show in the next class. Dishita.
Now can we start?
Yeah, Ritvik. Okay, guys, let's
So we
begin.
are starting in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and now we have started it. Now your first question is on your screen right now. What does Naina Mathur, Rani Mukherjee in the movie Hichki suffer from? This is easy.
$95 people have already answered. Great. 100 people. You all are very fast. Well, so the leaderboard is on your screen. The top 3 are Vaibhav, me, and Divyanshi. Who's me? The person named me, please, can you... Who's me? So let's go on to the next question. The correct answer was Hitch. So the next question is on your screen now. What is the first Indian sound film? What is the first film with sound made in India? This looks easy again. Do you think this is easy? Looks easy. $110 people have already answered. Great, and the time's up. So let's see the leaderboard. Me, Vaibhav, and Natali. Yeah, the correct answer was Alam Ara. 50 of you, only 50 of you got it right. And this looked like a tough one. Let's move on to the next question, which is on your screen now. What is the name of the character? In the image, there is a character from a movie who is very famous. You have to identify the character. I think most of you have seen this character in the movie. One thing, please do not answer in the chat. And the time's up. Only 110 people answered it. And the leaderboard is Vaibhav, me, and Natali. So the correct answer was virus. 49 people got it right. Well, this was an easy one. Do you all know which movie it was from? It was from the movie Three Idiots, if you remember. Great people. The next question is on your screen now. What was the name of Amir Khan's character in movie Lagan? There was a movie called Lagan in which Amir Khan was featured. What was the name of the character which Amir Khan was playing in the movie Lagan? This looks easy as 95 people have already answered and 110 people have answered already. You all are very fast. And please remember, if you don't answer this question in time, remember there are no negative marks. Vaibhav, Natali are the top two and 73 people got it right. It is Bhuvan. Great job, even I did not know this. Great job, everyone. So let's see the next question. The first Indian movie to be submitted for Oscar. What is the first Indian movie to be submitted for the Oscars? Just a quick reminder: if you take a picture and send it on a Facebook post, with hashtag Podium Super Quiz or hashtag Podium Super Hour, you have a chance to be featured on our official Facebook page. And the time's up, and let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali, and Akshita. So yes, 87 people got it right. It's Mother India. Great job, everyone. So, which was Amitabh Bachchan's first film? Amitabh Bachchan is a very famous actor who made many films. What was the first film made by this popular actor called Amitabh Bachchan? Well, you all are very fast. I see 80 of you have already answered. Please remember there are no negative markings for incorrect answer. There is only positive marking, which increases as fast as you answer. And the time's up. Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali, and Shania. Yes, it was Saath Hindustan. Great job. 60 people out of 110 got it right. So, great job, everyone. Which actor says this dialogue in the famous movie Andaz Apna Apna? तेज मैं हूँ, मार किधर है? Who says this dialogue in Andaz Apna Apna movie? One actor says the dialogue तेजा मैं हूँ, मार किधर है? Who is that actor? What is that actor's name? 110 people have already answered. Let's see who all got it right. According to the leaderboard, we see Shania, Simriti, and Siddhi are the top three. And this was a tough one looking at the answers. Most of you got it wrong, but that shouldn't matter because we still have 30 questions left. 20 questions left. So the next question is on your screen now. Whose son is he? There is a person in the image. You have to identify the father of this person. You have three images as the options, and one of them is this person in the photo's father or mother. 110 people have already answered, and the time's up. The correct answer. So leaderboard says Shania, Simriti, and Siddhi. And 101 people got it right. It's Jackie Shroff. Great job. So let's move on to the next question now. Who played the lead role in the movie Singham? You have been given some images of actors, and which one of them played the lead role in the movie Singham? Singham, as you all know, is a very famous movie. Who was the lead role in the movie? So 100 people have already answered, and this looks easy to me. And I expect it to be easy for you also. And the time's up, and let's see the leaderboard. Shania, Smriti, and Siddhi are still the top three. And yes, it is the correct answer. And please don't answer in the chat. Ajay Devgan is the correct answer. Please do not answer in the chat. So let's see the next question now. In the movie Three Idiots, what is Rancho's real name? Rancho is an actor in the movie Three Idiots. Real life name is Dash. So Three Idiots, as you all might know, is a very famous movie, and 100 people have all answered. Great job, everyone. I see many of you have turned your camera off. Can you please turn on your camera again? I see many of you with cameras off. So the leaderboard is Shania, Shmiti, Siddhi, and Vaibhav are the top three, and the correct answer is Kunshuk Wangdu. Many people put his full name, which is Rancho Das Shamal Das Chanchal, but this was asking the real life name of Rancho. And let's move on to the next question. Great job. Which movie is this character of Amir Khan's associated with? Amir Khan is dressed up as a character in a movie. Can you identify the movie on the basis of this picture? This looks very easy. And by the way, did you know that you can win prizes? The top 10 people who win this quiz will get a podium gift card, and the top 3 will get globally accepted certificate. And the leaderboard is Smriti, Siddhi, and Vaibhav. Great job. 92 people got it right. It is Dangal. Great job, everyone. So let's move on to the next question now. Who is this lady? There's a lady in the image. Who is this person in the image? Well, are you all excited for the remaining Please do not answer in the chat. I see many of you answering in the chat. Please do not answer in the chat. Smriti, Siddhi and Vaibhav are still the top 3. Please. And it is Ananya Pandey. Great. Great job, everyone. 76 people got it right out of 106. Great job, everyone. Hope you all get the next question right as well. The next question is on your screen now. The first silent Hindi film. The first Hindi film without audio which was made. The time's up. Only 110 people got answered it correct. Smriti, Vaibhav and Natalia, the top 3. 79 people got it right. It is Raja Harishchandra. Even I did not know this fact. Great job, whoever knew it. So let's see the next question. Who was the first Indian to win an Oscar? There were many people who won an Oscar, but who was the first Indian? The first person from India to win an Oscar? So there are Simri, Vaibhav and Natalia are still the top 3. Well, many people got it wrong, but that doesn't matter because this was even hard for me. 43 people thought it's A.R. Raman, but the correct answer was Bhavnu Athia. Are you liking the quiz till now? Because I see many of you are. Are you liking the quiz? If you're liking the quiz, then can you put a thumbs up in the chat? Great, many people like the quiz. Some people did not like it. Great job. It is hard to make a better competition among all your friends. Otherwise, how would we know who is the best person in between us? If you enjoy the quiz, please invite your friends too. They can also compete, and then you can see which one is the better of you all. By the way, you might have not noticed, but there are 154 people playing with us today. Right now. So many of you are liking the quiz. So let's move on to the next question now. Many of you, by the way, you can still join using the link if you did not yet. And let's move on to the next question. The first Indian film actress and model who was crowned Femina Miss Universe contest is. first Indian actress and model who was crowned Femina Miss Universe contest is? Who was Femina Miss Universe contest? Who won? Please do not answer in the chat. Great job. The time's up and let's see the leaderboard. Smriti, Vaibhav and Natalia, the top 3. 59 people got it right. It's Susmita Sen. Great job. Let's move on to the next question now. Which movie is this shown in the image? Please answer correctly and fast, as there are only 10 questions remaining. There are only 10 questions remaining. Out of 26 questions, this is the 16th question. You have to press the correct answer on the quiz to answer. 111 people answered, and Smriti, Natali and Vaibhav are the top 3. It is Dhoom 2. 68 people got it right, and great job everyone. Let's move on to the next question now. Identify the movie using the picture given. This is very easy. Many people I am sure have seen this movie. Many people might have seen this movie, I'm sure. Well, did you like this quiz till now? 108 people got it answered. The leaderboard is still Smriti, Vaibhav and Natali. And 84 people got it right. It's Diya Zindagi. I see again many people have turned off their camera. Why are you turning off your camera? If you are in the top 10 then and your camera is off, then you have to you cannot claim the prize. So please turn on your camera. Let's move on to the next question. Actor Irfan Khan, who recently passed away, had won national award for which movie? Irfan Khan won national award for a movie. Which movie was it? And if you haven't already, then you can click a photo of you taking the quiz and then send it WhatsApp it to us on the number in the chat, or you can post it on Facebook with the tags Podium Super Quiz and Podium Super Hour. Time's up and the leaderboard is Natali, Vaibhav and Smriti. Great job. This question looked very hard because only 36 got it right, and 37 people got it thought it is Life of Pi, which was wrong. So great job everyone. So you have to take a photo of you taking the quiz, share it on Facebook with the link provided, or WhatsApp us at the link number given. The next question is identify the movie from this image. There's an image given in the and you have to identify the movie which this image tells you about. Identify the movie from this image. This looks easy and the time's up. I see the leaderboard. It's Natali, Vaibhav and Smriti again. And 87 people got it right. It's Tare Zameen Par. Great job. We have only 7 questions remaining. So please answer faster. So the first 10 people will get the top 10 people will get a Podium Super gift card, and the top 3 people will get a globally accepted certificate from Team Podium. Let's move on to the next question. 3, 2, 1, and the question is on your screen now. Identify the movie. 30 people have already answered. Now 40 people and 50 people. You all are so fast. You all are so fast that I can't even read how many people are there, and 10, 20 more people answer. Just saying this, 120 people answered. Great job, you all. You're answering very fast. Let's see the leaderboard. Vaibhav, Natali and Smriti. The answer is pink. I've not seen the movie, but I think it's interesting. If you did not yet, you can go see the movie anytime if you wish to gain more knowledge. And if you're getting answers wrong, then you can pay more attention while viewing the next movie you are watching. Some people are saying that they have seen the movie in the chat, and great job. You can tell us about the movie on the WhatsApp group. Let's move on to the next question now. 3, 2, 1. This movie name also has the name of a city. Which movie is it? This movie also has the name of a city. Which movie is it? This movie has the name of a city. What movie has the same name as the city, which is given in the image? The hint is given only. Great job, 104 people answered, out of which Natali, Vaibhav and Shania are the top 3, and 46 people got it right. It's Aligarh. Well, it was very easy. Aligarh was the only city which also had the name of a movie. Rest all did not have the name of a city. This was easy for me, but I don't know how you all got it wrong. Well, surely you'll get the next question right because it's so easy. Hope you all find it easy. Which movie is this? There is a photo in the question, and can you tell me which movie is this photo from? This looks easy as 50 people have already answered. If you did not notice, we have 160 of us right now. So 105 people have already answered. So the leaderboard is on your screen. Natali, Vaibhav and Shania. and 54 got it right. It's Heather. There. I've seen that Natali, Vaibhav, Shania are top 3. They have not turned on their camera. Please turn on your camera, otherwise you won't be able to claim the prize. I know everyone wants to claim the prize, and so please turn on your camera, otherwise I'm not moving on to the next question. Please, let's wait for everyone to turn on the camera. So great, everyone. Whoever have not turned on the camera, you can turn it on, please. Thank you. Let's see the next question. Which premium institute in India was this movie shot at? This photo shows a movie. Where was this shot? It was shot in a premium institute in India. What was the name of the premium institute? This is very easy. So let's see if you all get it right. Many people will get it right, I'm sure. So one give. So 20, only 27 people got it right. It's IIM Ahmedabad. 41 people thought it's IIM Bangalore. Vaibhav and Atli, please turn your camera. Last warning, otherwise we'll have to remove you from this quiz. So let's move on to the next question. Vaibhav, I cannot see your camera turned on. So the question is, what role does Ranveer Singh play in this iconic movie? What role does Ranveer Singh play in this iconic movie? What role does Ranveer Singh? Ranveer Singh, as you all might know, he is a very famous actor. What role does Ranveer Singh play in this iconic movie? 102 people got it right. It's a rapper. Let's see the leaderboard. Jivesh, Natali, and Vaibhav are the top 3 again. 75 people got it right. It's a rapper. Natali, I see that your camera is off. 75 people got it right. 18 people thought he's a singer. And let's move on to the next question. Three, two, one, and the next question is on your screen. Which was the first three-dimensional movie in India? This is the second last question, and hope you all get it right. Which was the first 3D movie in India? As you all might know, 3D movies are movies that you can see come out of the screen and then interact with you. So let's see what was that movie. So 52 people thought it's Chhota Chetan and 24 people thought it's ABCD2. This was a very hard question. Only 20 people got it right. My dear Kuti Chankan.
Jitesh and Natali, I can see you both are in the top 3. Make sure to turn your cameras on, or else we will disqualify you now immediately. I want you to turn the cameras on right now. Jitesh and Natali. I'm just trying to check if you guys haven't. I can't see your camera switched on.
So according to ma'am, please turn on your camera on. I see many of you have not turned it on.
Jitesh and Natali, I'm still waiting, or else we'll need to. Okay, Jivesh, right?
I will wait some more time for your camera. So let's move on to the next question now. This is the last question of the quiz. So, who is the director of the famous movie with the title of Lagan? You all might have seen Lagan, the movie, which released like last year. And who is the director of that movie? It's a very famous movie. Who directed that movie? Natali, your camera is still not on. And the time's up for the last question. And the leaderboard is Natali, Vaibhav, and Jivesh. And 56 people got it right. It's Ashuto Govarki.
Okay, I can see Jivesh has turned his camera on. Natali has been disqualified from the quiz, so she is no longer among top 3. The 4th position would now be considered on the 3rd position. So whoever was the whoever was on the 4th position should have the camera turned on, or else we won't be able to qualify you as a winner.
The 4th place is Shania.
Shania. Let me check. Shania. Yeah, Shania has her camera on. Excellent, dear. Okay. Natali has been disqualified now.
And the 11th position will get the Amazon voucher. Podium gift card.
Yeah.
So let's now see the podium. So now let's see who are the winners. So let's see who are in the top 3. So please wait for some time, it's loading. So the top 3 are on So let's see the top 3. It is Vaibhav, Jivansh, and Shania. Great job, everyone. So the top 10 are Vaibhav, Jivesh, Shania, Smriti, Vihan, Karthik, Ayushi, Mishika, Ansh, and Siddhi. Great job, everyone. If you are in the top 10, then you have to mail us at hello@podium.school to claim your prize.
Congratulations to all lovelies. You all did so well, and I can see like we had around 160 plus participants. So congratulations, everyone.
Thank you for attending today's quiz.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Guys,
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Did you like the quiz?
Bye, ma'am.
bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Say you one thing, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Please
Bye, ma'am.
post a
Thank you,
photo
ma'am.
playing the quiz.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
You didn't already. Please post a image playing the quiz.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Lishika.
Yes.
Ask that the winners what they have to mail.
They have to message about Ritvik. Can you guide them?
అంతసేపు నేను అప్పుడే చెప్పిన మంచిగా చేస్తాను ఇంట్లో
You have to mail a video of you saying, giving a video feedback about Podium and how you found the quiz. And then you have to give your full name and
Excuse me, ma'am.
tell your ranking in the video, in the quiz. That is it.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, can I say one thing, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, actually, first of all, many players are playing from FB also, and you have to actually disqualify her in the starting itself. And it's showing that I am 10th, and in your leaderboard, it's not showing you. That is not my mistake, no, that is your mistake too.
Sorry, may I know who is right now?
What?
May I know, is this Dishita?
Yeah.
Can you repeat what you've said?
I said actually in my leaderboard it's showing me that I am 10th and in your it's not showing. Excuse me, ma'am. First of all, you should not stream it in Facebook because many of them are playing from Facebook. In our participants, we were only 91 and in your it was 156. Many would take from Google and play it means. And for the girl whom you have disqualified, you would disqualify her in the starting itself. You have disqualified only in the afterwards. You have only disqualified her.
No, dear Dishita. The thing is, we had warned.
Excuse me, ma'am.
One second, Smriti. We had warned a lot of them that they must turn on their camera. So I've been checking all of the students whether they have the cameras.
Yeah, that's okay. I would like only one thing to say, but in my leaderboard, up it was showing me that I was 10th or 11th. But for you all, it's not showing. That's what I wanted to say. How was that?
That may be possible because it might be a glitch or something. But I'm sure it may have appeared the same on the other screens as well. And I don't know, maybe that might be a glitch, Dishita.
And Dishita, when you answer a question correctly and multiple other people answer it correctly, it puts you on a position. But when it takes the average of the highest among the rights, it changes the ranking after the question is answered. And hence, typically, there is a plus minus 1 or 2 on the ranking, but the rankings are updated in front of your eyes, right? So there is nothing which is happening, right? But thank you for bringing to our notice.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the Wonders of Space quiz were there of quite weeks ago, and I got 8th position in that, but I haven't received anything from the Podium people, and I mailed the people twice.
Arushi, all the prizes have been dispatched. Let us check on your specific and get back to you.
Okay.
Thank you, Arushi.
So did you like the quiz?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you make sure that more of your friends are participating the next time? And Dishika, don't worry. You will next time. If you try to be in the first three, then the best can happen is you will be in 2 to 4. That would be good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Dishika, someone is behind you who's waving at the camera. It's very sweet. Who is she? Is your sister?
No, my brother.
Yeah, she's my sister.
Ah, okay.
So thank you all for attending today's quiz. Hope you liked it. And winners, please post mail at hello@podium.school. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you for attending this quiz. All of you are winners. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.